Hello children, welcome back. Let us do the 10th problem from exercise 6b. Question number 10. An area is paved with square tiles of a certain size and the number required is 128. Number of tiles 128. If the tiles had been 2 cm smaller each way, 200 tiles would have been needed to pave the same area. Find the size of the larger tiles. That is the question. So let the size or edge of the larger tile be x units. Here it is in number of tiles only given 2 centimeter smaller, so x centimeter. Okay, number of tiles required is 128. If the size of the tile is reduced by 2 centimeter, that means each edge of the tile is reduced by 2 centimeter, we need 200 tiles to pave the same area. Understood the question? That is, if area of the or the size of the each tile be x centimeter, we can use 128 tiles to pave that particular area. But if the size of the tile is reduced by 2 centimeter, then we need 200 tiles to pave the same area. So how can we relate these statements and find the value of x, the size of the larger tile? Yes, area is same, no? So if there are 128 tiles, and what is the area of each tile? It's square tile, that's why area is a square. Here the side is x, that's why x square. 128 into area of each tile gives 200 into area of smaller tile. What is the area of smaller tile? It is 2 centimeter less. So x minus 2 is the side of smaller tile. So x minus 2 square. This is the relation given. Understood? Since area of larger square tile is equal to x square, and area of smaller square tile is x minus 2 square. Okay, let us solve this. We will get a quadratic equation and let us simplify this. Okay, 128 x square gives 200 into x minus 2 the whole square. We can apply that a minus b the whole square. That is x square minus 2x plus 2 square. That is 4. Understood? Now let us solve this. Here we get 128 x square is 200 into x minus 2 the whole square. X square minus 2 into x into 2. That is 4x. Okay, here it is 4x plus 4. 2 square is 4. Let us simplify this. 128 x square equal 200 into x square. 200 x square. 200 into 4x. 800x plus 800. We can write all the values to the right side. 200x square. We can write this 128x square to right side as minus 128x square. Minus 800x plus 800 equal to 0. What is 200 minus 128? 72x square minus 800x plus 800 equal to 0. We can simplify this equation by dividing by 8. Divide each term of the equation by 8. Implies 9x square minus 100x plus 100 gives 0. Now we can factorize this. How can we factorize this? Yes, we should get the product of two numbers, 100 into 9, 900. And sum of the two terms is minus 100. Which are the two numbers? Yes, easy to get the values. It is 90 and 10. What is minus 90 and minus 10? Minus 100. And minus 90 into minus 10 plus 900. So we can write this equation as 9x square minus 100x can be written as 90x minus 10x plus 100. This plus 100 gives 0. Group them. 9x is common, x minus 10. Here minus 10 is common, x minus 10 equal to 0. Both the terms we have x minus 10 common, 9x minus 10 equal to 0. So x minus 10 equal to 0 or 9x minus 10 equal to 0. We will get two values, x equal to 10 or x equal to 9x equal to 10, x equal to 10 by 9. So we can take here the size of the square tile as 10 centimeter. Size of square tile is 10 centimeter. Okay. Let us solve the important problems from exercise 6C. Problems based on distance, speed and time. First question. The speed of an ordinary train is x km per hour. Speed of the ordinary train is x km per hour and that of an express train is x plus 25 km per hour. First question. Find the time taken by each train to cover 300 km distance. Covered by each train is 300 km. You have to find the time taken by each train. Time taken by each train. How can we find the time taken? First question is time taken by the train. What is the relation between distance, time and speed? Yes, that you studied in smaller classes. Speed can be calculated by distance by time. And then how can we calculate time taken? Yes, time equal to distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed. Here speeds are given. So how can we find the time taken? Distance also given. So first is speed of ordinary train is x. So what is the time taken by ordinary train? Distance travelled by speed of the ordinary train. Distance travelled is 300 and speed of ordinary train is x. That's why 300 by x hours is the time taken by ordinary train. And what is the time taken by express train? Express train, it's 300 by x plus 25. 300 is the distance covered and x plus 25 is the speed. So time taken by the express train is 300 by x plus 25. Now the next question. If the ordinary train takes 2 hours more than the express train, calculate the speed of the express train. One condition is given, then only we can solve for x. Okay. What is the condition given? If ordinary train takes, because it has a smaller speed, no, it takes 2 hours more than that of the express train to cover the same distance. That is the relation given. So how can we relate these two and the hours to? Yes, 300 by x minus 300 by x plus 25. That means the difference between the time taken by the two trains is equal to 2 hours. Understood? How can we relate them? Yes, time taken, not the distance covered. Time taken by the two trains. This difference between the time taken is equal to 2 hours. Difference between time taken 2 hours. So we can relate this as 300 by x. This ordinary train take more time, no? Minus 300 by x plus 25. Time taken by express train is less. Their difference is 2 hours. Now let us cross multiply and all to get the quadratic equation, and after that we can solve the quadratic equation. Okay. That is 300 is common for both the fractions. 300 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 25 gives 2. So we can cross multiply. 1 into x plus 25 is x plus 25 minus 1 into x is x divided by, the denominator will be x into x plus 25. If 3 and 4 are the denominators, we have to multiply 3 into 4 to get the denominator, no? Is equal to 2, and this 300 is multiplied here, no? So how can we write that 300 to the right side? Yes, divided by 300. So we can cancel out this 1 by 150. And here x and minus x will be cancelled. 25 by x into x, x square, x into 25. 25x equal 1 by 150. Okay. So cross multiply. 25 into 150 gives x square plus 25x. Okay. Look at this, 300 we took outside into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 25 equal to, write the 300 to the right side as divided by 300 and take the LCM. Okay. That is 3750 equal x square plus 25x. Let us write the standard form, x square plus 25x. Write that number to the right side, it changes to minus 3750 to 0. We write all the values to the right side, so that we get x square plus 25x minus 3750 equal to 0. And now we can factorize. Here the product should be 3000, negative 3750, and sum is 25. Can you say which are the two numbers having the product 3750 and sum 25 or difference 25? Yes, they are 50 and 75. It's plus 25, so larger number will be plus. Okay. So we can write x square plus 75x minus 50 x minus 3750 equal to 0. You can do the factorization. If it's difficult to find the numbers directly, then you do the factorization of 3750 and group the prime numbers by trial and error method to obtain these two numbers. Now we can group this. X is common, x plus 75. Here minus 50 is common, x plus 75 gives 0. So we can take x plus 75 common, and remaining terms x and 50 minus 50 equal to 0. Now we have x plus 75 equal to 0 or x minus 50 equal to 0. Product equal to 0 means one of the two numbers must be 0. So if x plus 75 0, what is the value of x? Negative 75. And here x is negative, x minus 50 0, what is x? X is 50. We can take the positive value only. Speed we are calculating, no? So we can take the value of x as 50 km per hour. That is the speed of ordinary train. But in the question it is asked speed of express train. So we have to write x plus 25. What is x plus 25? 50 plus 25. That gives 75 km per hour is the speed of the express train. Okay. Here we obtained x as 50 km per hour. So speed of express train is x plus 25. That is 50 plus 25, 75 km per hour. Okay, that is the solution. Understood these problems?